Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today we're diving into a countdown of the best-selling muffler tools on Amazon. These top-tier tools have earned their spots through outstanding performance, durability, and rave customer reviews. Without any delay, let's get started with our countdown of the best muffler tools you can find on Amazon today. Counting down the best-selling muffler tools on Amazon, we've arrived at number 5. The R65 Airhead Exhaust Spanner by GB Motorcycle Products. This tool is a standout, and here's why. Constructed from robust alloy steel, the R65 Airhead Exhaust Spanner is engineered for durability and resilience. The addition of zinc ensures enhanced corrosion resistance, making this tool a long-term investment for any motorcycle enthusiast. You can rely on its sturdy build to tackle even the toughest exhaust challenges. Now let's talk about its design. Featuring a fixed square head style, this spanner provides a secure grip and precise fit. Whether you're loosening or tightening exhaust components, this tool delivers exceptional performance. The fixed square head style isn't just about looks. It's about delivering the right amount of torque exactly where you need it. What about the finish? The R65 Airhead Exhaust Spanner is powder-coated, which adds another layer of protection against wear and tear. The powder coating not only enhances its durability, but also gives it a sleek, professional appearance. It's a tool that looks as good as it performs. With just one item in the package, it's a specialized tool designed for a specific job, ensuring you have exactly what you need without unnecessary extras. Simple, efficient, and effective. That's the essence of the R65 Airhead Exhaust Spanner. In summary, the R65 Airhead Exhaust Spanner by GB Motorcycle Products combines strength, precision, and durability. Its alloy steel and zinc construction, fixed square head, and powder-coated finish make it a must-have for any serious motorcycle maintenance toolkit. Get ready to experience top-tier performance with this exceptional exhaust spanner. Continuing our countdown of the best-selling muffler tools on Amazon, we now present number 4, the Mayhew Tools Pro 3 1967 Pneumatic Outside Muffler Cutter. This tool is a game-changer for automotive professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Crafted specifically for body, chassis, and exhaust applications, this versatile cutter is designed to handle a range of tasks with precision and ease. The standard .401 shank size ensures compatibility with a variety of pneumatic tools, making it a flexible addition to your toolkit. You'll appreciate its adaptability when switching between different tasks, knowing you have the right tool for the job. Durability? Absolutely. The Mayhew Tools Pro 3 1967 features a black oxide finish, providing an extra layer of rust protection. This ensures your cutter remains in peak condition, ready to tackle any job no matter how demanding. It's built to last, resisting the wear and tear that often plagues lesser tools. And here's something that sets it apart. It's made in the USA, embodying a commitment to quality and craftsmanship. When you use this cutter, you're not just using any tool. You're using a piece of American ingenuity and reliability. That's a statement of trust and performance. What's more, this tool comes with an unlimited lifetime warranty. Yes, you heard that right. Unlimited lifetime warranty. This is more than a promise. It's a guarantee of enduring quality and support. Knowing that Mayhew Tools stands behind their product gives you confidence in every cut, slice, and maneuver. To sum it up, the Mayhew Tools Pro 3 1967 Pneumatic Outside Muffler Cutter offers unmatched versatility, durability, and reliability. Whether you're working on the body, chassis, or exhaust, this cutter delivers top-tier performance. With its black oxide finish, .401 shank size, and the assurance of being made in the USA, this tool is an essential companion in your automotive endeavors. Taking the number 3 spot in our top 5 countdown of best-selling muffler tools on Amazon is the Reduce Neighbor Upstairs Noise Machine, Noise Deadener Muffler Strikeback Tool. If you've ever found yourself frustrated by the relentless noise from your upstairs or downstairs neighbors, this is the tool designed to turn that frustration into a solution. Imagine a device that blends innovation with practicality. This noise deadener is a powerhouse, weighing in at approximately 1 kilogram and boasting a power range between 10 watts and 100 watts. When activated, the machine generates noticeable vibration, a key component of its functionality. This vibration is not just random, it's the result of a sophisticated motor system inside the unit. This motor produces intense adjustable vibrations, making it an effective tool for tackling unwanted noise. What sets this device apart? It doesn't require any installation involving punching or drilling. Instead, it uses a telescopic rod to extend and position the main unit against the ceiling or wall, effortlessly applying the vibrations where they're needed most. This design feature means you can set it up quickly and start addressing the noise issues right away. When your neighbor's noise becomes unbearable and conventional solutions fall short, this machine steps in as a practical remedy. Its continuous vibration feature is designed to create a counteracting effect against external noise, serving as a form of acoustic retaliation that can help mitigate disturbances. Are you dealing with noisy neighbors? Don't let the sound of their activities disrupt your peace any longer. The Reduce Neighbor Upstairs Noise Machine is more than just a tool. It's a dedicated solution to restore tranquility to your space. Act now and experience the difference. Your quiet sanctuary awaits. Are you enjoying the countdown of the top-selling muffler tools on Amazon? If so, don't just exhaust yourself. Hit that like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon to keep your engine purring with all our latest updates. Sliding into the number 2 spot on our countdown of the best-selling muffler tools on Amazon is the Permatex 80331 Muffler and Tailpipe Bandage. This isn't just any bandage. It's your go-to solution for repairing exhaust system issues with unparalleled ease and effectiveness. Imagine having a tool that not only fixes problems, but prevents costly replacements. The Permatex 80331 is designed to permanently repair holes and leaks in your exhaust system, saving you both time and money. It's crafted from epoxy-impregnated fiberglass, which means it's built to last and deliver a robust fix. This isn't a temporary patch. It's a durable solution that stands the test of time. One of the standout features is its ability to seal out poisonous fumes. Withstanding temperatures up to an impressive 800 degrees Fahrenheit, this bandage ensures that your vehicle's exhaust system remains safe and efficient, even under extreme conditions. Whether you're dealing with a muffler on a car, a tailpipe on a truck, or even equipment on a tractor or farm machinery, this bandage is up to the task. The Permatex 80331 is suggested for a variety of applications, making it incredibly versatile. It's ideal for mufflers and tailpipes across automobiles, trucks, tractors, and other farm equipment. This adaptability ensures that no matter what type of vehicle or machinery you're working with, you have a reliable solution at your disposal. In summary, the Permatex 80331 Muffler and Tailpipe Bandage offers a permanent high-temperature fix for exhaust system leaks and holes. With its epoxy-impregnated fiberglass construction and ability to seal out harmful fumes, it's a must-have for anyone looking to save on costly repairs and maintain their vehicle's performance. Make your exhaust system repairs simpler and more effective with this essential tool. At the pinnacle of our top 5 countdown of best-selling muffler tools on Amazon is the Versachem Tiger Patch Muffler and Tailpipe Wrap. This wrap isn't just an accessory, it's your ultimate solution for exhaust system repair and maintenance. With dimensions of 36 inches in length and 2 inches in width, this wrap is designed to cover a substantial area, ensuring a comprehensive fix for your muffler and tailpipe issues. It's a versatile product that's perfect for addressing both minor and major exhaust system problems. What makes the Versachem Tiger Patch stand out? Its robust design is crafted for high-performance repairs. This wrap is engineered to handle the intense conditions of your exhaust system, providing a durable and reliable solution. It's not just about wrapping up a problem, it's about sealing it with confidence. The generous size of 36 inches ensures you have ample material to work with, making it ideal for various applications. Whether you're dealing with a small leak or a more extensive issue, this wrap gives you the coverage and flexibility needed to get the job done right. In conclusion, the Versachem Tiger Patch Muffler and Tailpipe Wrap is a top choice for those seeking an effective, high-quality solution for exhaust system repairs. Its ample size and durable construction make it a standout product in our countdown. If you're looking for a wrap that combines reliability with performance, the Versachem Tiger Patch is your go-to tool for a seamless repair experience. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top-selling muffler tools on Amazon. To keep up with all the best sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the featured products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.